Hi, this is Natasha Copeland, and today I'm going to be unboxing some of my birthday haul. Well, all of my birthday haul. And I have a lot of things that I did get for my birthday. Some I bought for myself, some was bought for me, and I'm really looking forward to enjoying every bit of my birthday gifts. So, let's get started. One, I started off with the Norvina by Anastasia of Beverly Hills. So let's open this. Which I was happy to get this because I got both of the latest boxes at once, which was a gift from my parents to me. So here's this one. This is what it looks like. So let's do a swatch. Purple to go with the purple covering. Look at that. That purple is so vivid. It's like right there. Alright, so let's swatch summer. The purple I swatched was celestial. So we're going to do summer. Look at that. How pretty that brown is. That's a beautiful brown. Goldish brown. Alright. So we picked these up at Dillard's. So like I said, I got both of the latest too. So this is the sultry. So let's watch Pearl. This one. That feels kind of chalky, but still it has great coloring in it and great shimmers. So swatching Cinder, another beautiful goldish brown. Alright, so my son picked me up this here palette from Morphe, which is one of the latest palettes they have out, the Social Butterfly. So let's get into it. Alright, it's a lot to go through. I even make things hard to get into. Alright, this is not one to come off too easily. Let's try it like this. There we go. Alright. So let's watch this pink, because pink is looking everything. It's like fire, as they say. Alright. Not as vivid as I thought it would be. Let's try the purple. That purple is like dual chrome. That purple is jumping. That purple is jumping. It's so alive. The life is just not the name for it. Alright, so this I bought for myself. This is the Born to Run. So Sephora has it where you get a free birthday gift when you order something during the birthday month of your birth. So let's see how we get into this. Now I've been watching this palette for a while. I was still up in air as to whether or not I really wanted to get it. And then I was like, well, I don't have anything about Urban Decay. So I was like, why not be my first palette with them? And it don't look like I'm going wrong. So let's try out the Accelerate. This here color. Look at that. These browns are jumping. Let's try Double Life. Look at that, another duochrome. It got a shift of brown with a shift of purple in it. You see that? Very pretty. Very. Alright, so let me show you guys the birthday gift I did get from Sephora, which I like. It's just not my colors exactly. I'm a more darker hued female. This color probably worked better for me. I like it. It's cute. It's so cute and so little. Now this one I'll be giving away in the gift box for one of my family members, because I'm already starting on the Christmas presents early. Well, I mean New Year's present. We don't celebrate Christmas. We do New Year's gifts to welcome in the New Year's to each other. So that'd be going into a gift box. So while I was also there at Sephora, I picked up these makeup remover, like little cotton pads, and these really do work. I have a white one. That's what made me buy these pink ones. I was like, I gotta try them. You see how they look? And all you do is wet it and then rub at your face to get the makeup stuff off, and it really does work. Okay, so I went on to get some Jeffree Star makeup with the lip gloss or the lipstick and the eye pencil. But while I was there, I went ahead and picked up these eyelashes, which are Waspies 113 plus Demi Waspies. So I'm really off into the eyelash thing now, and it's so convenient. It's better than the fiber lashes that I was doing, because that would take me like 10-15 minutes just to try to perfect it so that I can get some stuff on there. Okay. So this is what I picked up for the Jeffree Star. The black lipstick, lip gloss, Weirdo. I'll go ahead and open this. So that's what it looks like. And also the lip liner or eyeshadow, eyeliner pencil. So I haven't used this yet. That's what it looks like with cap on. So while also at Sephora, I'm sorry, I'm at Morphe brushes. My son also picked this up for me. The setting spray, the makeup sponge, and the eye primer. So it was $20 for his bag. So he spent a nice little chunk of money on his mother. So also while you at Sephora, which is going on to the end of this month, you get a makeup bag filled with some miniature goodies in them. So let me show you guys what comes in there. You get a Lancome mascara, some soy face cleanser, some Tarte lip gloss, and these are all travel goods. Some cream sherbet, moisturizing sherbet. This watermelon smells like the bomb. And it's Glow Recipe sleeping mask. That's what it looks like. And it smells so delicious. Got this whole bag smelling good. This is for heat protection for your hair. And last but not least, a small thing of all-nighter spray by Urban Decay, travel size. So, makeup bag for me, for my travel bag when I travel. Alright, I got the Jeffree Star stuff from Beautylish, and they too gave some samples when you ordered from them. Get this open. Okay. Alright, they gave me a sample, and it's cream. Is what is it for? Soothing cream for sensitive skin, which I have very sensitive skin, so I can use this hopefully without breaking out. Alright, so while still at Morphe, my son also picked me up the Jaclyn Hill Bling Boss Skin Tie Tongue. Alright, and this is how this looks. So let's try this purple, which is called Gem. Look at that purple. Very smooth. So we try Bling Bling. And that's how those two colors look. So last but not least from Morphe, which I need no introduction actually, it's a Jaclyn Hill. I gave mine to my niece, and so I needed a new one. So my son picked this up also for me. So like I said, he spent a nice little fortune. So let's show how this looks. This is all the colors. So I'm not going to swatch that, because this palette has been around for a while, so you should already know how it looks being swatched. Okay, so I went on to I wanted to say the Too Faced site, but it was Nordstrom. And Nordstrom had it where if you bought the Too Faced, it's like a bundle deal. So let's see here. It was the Too Faced Sweet Peach. It smells like peach, which it really does. So you get that. The Sweet Peach lip gloss. And the Sweet Peach glow. So you get them all for like, I want to say $49. So this also was a birthday gift. So also picked this up, which is the ColourPop Lippy Stick. So I've already used this and it came out great. I used it on the day of my birthday because I was wearing brown and I needed something brown, and that's what that looks like. So received these also as birthday gifts. Earrings. Let me see if I can open one up. And received these off of eBay. And this is what it looks like. Isn't it so pretty? Very feminine. So I also received these seahorses. The seahorses. Those are just so cute. So picked up some eyelashes also. Some more eyelashes. eBay. Picked these up also. Along with an eyelash holder. So I did have some eyelashes in here. Well, I still do. I already used these. And these are off of eBay as well. So I want to show you guys the gifts that I got from my brothers. My oldest brother and his family bought me a candlestick wax warmer for the birthday, which I was so glad to receive it. Basically, that's what it is. And it scents up the house with different scents. I look forward to using this. And it says, "Bless our home." And my youngest brother, which is that's all I have. I have two brothers. My youngest brother gave me a card with some money in it, and also this here, honey peach. So looking forward to using that as well, because I go through soap. Like, I like to smell real good, real delicious. Alright, well, that was all for my birthday haul. And I want to say you have a nice day and God bless you. You have a nice morning, afternoon, or evening, depending on when you're watching this, and God bless. Bye.